I see the world through brand new eyes, receiving light, reflecting bright from the faces and the things I see. Oh, now I see. Na na na, na 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 na.
In 2005, Relight introduced the world's first bike lights running on magnetic energy. Today, Relight is mounted on 1 out of 3 of all bikes in the Danish cities, and worldwide sales has reached more than 10 million sets of magnetic bike lights.
Introducing the Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor, the next generation technology that puts you in control of your driving safety. Safety has never looked so sexy. Using the most advanced German sensors, Zeus monitors both tire pressure and temperature in real time and sends this data to the app. Zeus is the first ever tire monitor to be able to detect slow leaks with its advanced data mining technology. This proprietary algorithm called AccurateTemp analyzes pressure and temperature data over time and alerts you to any slow leaks that other tire monitoring systems would have missed. The app report clearly pinpoints the exact tire and the rate of leakage. To make it even more versatile, we've designed it as a device that anyone can self-install. Take it with you on your next trip and easily install in just 3 steps on your rental car. When it comes to protecting your family everywhere you go, choose the next generation in safety technology. Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor by Nonda. Today's technology for yesterday's car.
And I'm a lactation consultant. Today I'm going to be sharing my new favorite product called the LaVie Lactation Massager, which is literally a lifesaver if you're breastfeeding or pumping. It's easy to hold, has multiple vibration modes, and is 100% waterproof, which means you could use it in the shower. What I love about this product is its unique shape. It has 3 different sides, which help you solve a bunch of different breastfeeding problems. The smooth backside can be used to help soften the breast and stimulate letdown. The rounded edge can be used to dig into plugged ducts and help break them up. And the sides can be used to help move fluid and express milk. Whether you're in the beginning, middle, or end of your breastfeeding journey, this is a wonderful tool to have on hand.